Hey everyone, welcome to Veilers. Today I'll show you how to remove incognito mode from Google Chrome. First, search for Run, type Regedit and click OK. Click Yes. The registry opens. Next, open hkey_local_machine, then Software, scroll down to Policies. Right-click, select New, then New Key. Name it Google. Right-click again New, and write Chrome. Then in the folder, right-click New Word 32-bit value. Name it Incognito Mode Availability. Right-click, modify, set it to 1. After this, restart your computer. Incognito mode will be gone. That's all. This was Veilers. Bye.